So this is a market update on the Dow Jones Index. So as you can see that it is on after this breakdown has gone touched here. This is a very significant support area. So it has touched the support area. It's likely to have another rebound. So these are support areas. It has touched here, in fact. As you can see, it's close here. But then this is another support area. When it fails to break through these two support areas being so close, it's likely that it will have some sort of a rebound back to this level somewhere here. As you can see, these are vital support areas. So these areas are very important support areas. So this is turned into resistance right now. Support turn resistance and resistance turn support. As you can see, this has become a resistant area. So any move downwards and any rally, significant rally, it will hit this one, these resistance zones, and it will continue downwards. This is based on what I've seen here. As long as the price is below this 200-day EMA, it is highly likely that the price will continue to be pressured downwards. So it's highly likely to be continued downwards. You won't be able to have any significant buys at the moment. So it's likely to go down here, a bounce, then continue downwards. Should be something like this. So the 200-day EMA will be like this, curving downwards. So this one should be another bounce, then go down based on the estimate. Unless something significant were to happen and they manage to delay the tariffs or cancel it altogether, then we might have another bounce up. But it's not highly possible. Okay, so this Dow Jones is not looking very rosy at the moment. Although there is rebound, expect to have a rebound, but then don't expect an uptrend move. Any rebound should be hitting this 200-day EMA and then goes down. So don't expect any breakout anytime soon unless there is a big policy change, in fact. So for now, we won't see much. Just a normal rebound back to these levels and then pull back down, continue downwards. As you can see, the weekly chart is still not looking that good. It has reached here. This is the actual price because I'm using a lagging chart. This is the actual price now. It has reached this support, as you can see here. The support area is here. And this is the 200-week EMA. So this likely this is also giving some kind of support to this the price at the moment. So expect the move should be down here and then go back up, continue downwards. So just continue like this before any significant move upwards, if any. But unless there is something big policy change, it might even break down and end this long-term trend that has been ongoing since wow, this is the pandemic time that it breaks, and this is 2022. So if it were to break this one, it will have to be somewhere in 2009, the financial crisis era. That's the only time that it goes quite deep. The COVID plunge is actually here, but then it recovers quite quickly. As you can see here, it's a V-shaped recovery. This is also a V-shaped recovery. So the economy is quite strong. This is not a V-shape. So this is a very serious down here. Yeah, this is a dot-com bubble. It's very small compared to this one. But then now we have a major uptrend, and the plunge will be more dangerous, more deadly. This is a V-shaped COVID bounce. So this is I wonder what happened here. Something happened in 2022. I'm not sure what happened to the American market. So there is something significant here. It breaks below slightly and then it goes back up. So for now, it's still far from here. As we can see, it has gone up. Every time it goes beyond the 200, away from the 200 EMA, it will have a pullback, steep pullback, just like here. When it has gone quite far from the 200 week 200 week EMA, it will have a pullback towards the EMA, the average. So it might pull back here and then another bounce, or if it breaks, don't expect to be too deep. But it might happen. I'm not sure what will happen in the future, but we as a trend follower will just follow the trend and the momentum as well. So we're not trying to guess. We do guess, but we don't really fully depend on the guess as well. So you can check out my shorts. Those shorts have the either you can guess whether you're going up or going down. So that improves your what do you call it? The how you will react when certain things happens. So you can check in the future whether what you have guessed is correct or wrong. So just estimate. Or you can also do this kind of paper trading, as you can see here. When you click down here, there is a paper trading thing here. So you click on the paper trading, it should show some. Okay, oh, it's just like so. When you trade the paper trading, you don't really spend any money. So it's a free thing, and you can just play around with it. Imagine scenarios where you buy and where you sell, and just test your strategies there. I tested this strategy that I tried to extract from CIS in Japan. So I made from, I think the starting is about 100,000 USD. This paper trading account, and I turned that 100,000 into 1 trillion using his method. So it's a very strong method, but I'm not sure if this is exactly the method that he is using, but it's highly possible. As you can see, it has turned into 1 trillion. But I stopped this one for quite a long time now. I'm mostly doing the real trading and also trying to educate people using YouTube. So remember to subscribe, like my videos, and check out my older videos, share it out, and let more people know that even in financial firestorm like what is happening now, you can somehow escape without much damage to your finances. So just learn how to cut your losses and everything. Check out my older video. I've mentioned quite a few times though, where you can set your stop loss and when to exit, how to spot that chances of a pullback after it has a serious run upwards, when it will pull back, when is the possible time it will pull back. So just check it out. And okay, I try not to make this video too long, so remember to subscribe. Okay, good night.